Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things cryptocurrency. Today we're going to be talking about the best 5 crypto trading platforms of 2023. As you all know, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and with so many trading platforms out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why we've done the research for you and have compiled a list of the top 5 crypto trading platforms for the year 2023. Coming in at number 5, we have Binance. Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading more than 100 cryptocurrencies. With its user-friendly interface and high liquidity, Binance is a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. They have a mobile app as well that makes it easy to trade on the go. Additionally, they have Binance Jersey and Binance US, which are the regulated versions of the platform, catering to the needs of the users in specific regions. Number 4 on our list is Coinbase. Coinbase is a San Francisco-based cryptocurrency exchange that is geared towards retail investors. They have a user-friendly interface and offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. With Coinbase, you can also purchase cryptocurrencies using fiat currencies, which makes it a great choice for those just getting started in the crypto world. They also offer a mobile app which makes it easy to trade on the go. Coming in at number 3, we have Kraken. Kraken is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading. They have a reputation for providing a high level of security, and they have also shown transparency in the past with their audits and proof of reserves. This is a great choice for more advanced traders who are looking for a platform with more trading options. At number 2, we have Gemini. Gemini is a New York-based cryptocurrency exchange that is known for its strict compliance with regulatory requirements. They are a licensed and regulated exchange, which makes them a great choice for those who are looking for a secure and trustworthy platform. They offer a wide range of trading options, including spot trading and crypto-to-crypto trading. They also have a mobile app that makes it easy to trade on the go. And finally, our top pick for the best crypto trading platform of 2023 is BitMEX. BitMEX is a Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency exchange that is known for its high liquidity and advanced trading options. They offer margin trading and futures trading, which makes them a great choice for experienced traders. They also have a reputation for providing a high level of security. Those are our top 5 picks for the best crypto trading platforms of 2023. Remember that different platforms will be suitable for different traders depending on their level of experience, so be sure to do your own research and choose the platform that best meets your needs. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more cryptocurrency-related content. Please keep in mind this is based on the information I have at my knowledge cutoff, and the crypto and trading platforms are constantly evolving field. It's important that you do your own research and verify the information provided here before making any decision.